These are the juice heads. No,
We're making a video.
We're the juice heads. We're the juice heads. The juice Everyone else.
This is young Diego.
Young Diego.
This is young Diego. He has been traveling with us for 20 days. We spotted him on the side of the road. We decided to pick him up, but he didn't want to agree with us, so we just dragged him. Made him drink a juice, and after that, he just turned into a juice head.
And now we're all juice heads.
We're all juice heads.
Juice gets me loose, don't get me started.
2 cans of that juice and they're gonna be acting
retarded,
yeah.
Everyone's getting
The little
faded.
squid over there comes from DC, I don't know. I just see a squid.
What you know about that? Hooligan. Where's Waldo over there?
Where's Aldo? I spelled Aldo. I think he's in the background. This is Aldo, Waldo's cousin. That wears green and white stripes. If Waldo was here, we could.
I know we can find him somewhere. Alyssa will take us home. I swear.
I'm riding with y'all, alright?
Alright.
Okay. There's Justin peeking through the door.
Time out.
You can't call timeout on my video. This is in my time. There's everyone else's gay asses. Oh, young monkey.
A young monkey in the horizon.